All right, remainder theorem, very powerful theorem. So, given the theorem, basically we need to pay attention to the following. When you divide a polynomial by this binomial x minus a, then the remainder is equal to the value of the polynomial when x is equal to a, which means that if the remainder is 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. So let's take a look at the example here. We have a cubic polynomial given, and this polynomial is divided twice by x minus 1, and then the remainder is 10. And then when you divide it by x minus 2, the remainder is 51, which is illustrated right below here. So our goal is not to divide this cubic polynomial by x minus 1 and then find possible answer. This is not our goal. We have to take advantage of the theorem and say, when you divide this cubic polynomial by x minus 1, so the remainder, which is 10, is equal to the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 1, which means that f at 1 gives you 10. The second case is identical. However, we divide by different binomial x minus 2, so the value of the polynomial at 2 must be equal to 51. So this is a very convenient statement because now we can create a system of equations and find the coefficient a and b. What is the objective really of this question? So from the first one we have a when x is 1, so 1 cubed minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 1 plus b. The value of that is 10. So this is equation number 1. The second equation, x is equal to 2, so a 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus b, b, I need to erase that, plus b equals 51. Simplify equation number 1 and equation number 2, and you're going to get a plus b equals 9. Okay, a plus b, this was 2 minus 1 is 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. The second one, the coefficient in front of a is 8, so 8a plus b equals 51. Negative 4 and 4 cancel each other out. 8a plus b is equal to 51. So this is the system of equation that we need to solve. Okay, let's say that from the first, b is equal to 9 minus a. Substitutes to the second, so you have 8a plus 9 minus a is equal to 51. Rearrange, so 7a is equal to 42. Therefore, a is 6. So a is found. Now b is equal to 9 minus 6, which is 3. Excellent. And finally, polynomial formula now looks like so: 6x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to, let's say, y. Okay. So remember, very powerful theorem, very practical, and please make sure that you know it, because many times you'll be dealing with very similar type of questions where you have to apply the knowledge of remainder theorem. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I see you next time.